pausieren.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carl Phillips speaking to you from the observatory at Princeton. I'll ask you to be patient, ladies and gentlemen, during any delay that may arise during our interview. Besides the ceaseless watch of the heavens, Professor Pearson may be interrupted by telephone or other communications. Professor, may I begin our questions?
At any time, Mr. Phillips.
Professor, would you please tell our radio audience exactly what you see as you observe the planet Mars through your telescope?
Nothing unusual at the moment, Mr. Phillips. A red disk swimming in the blue sea. Transverse stripes across the disk. Quite distinct now because Mars happens to be at the point nearest the Earth, in opposition, as we call it.
In your opinion, what do these transverse stripes signify, Professor Pearson?
Not canals, I can assure you, Mr. Phillips.
They...
Although that's the popular conjecture of those who imagine Mars to be inhabited. From a scientific viewpoint, the stripes are merely the result of atmospheric conditions peculiar to the planet.
Then you're quite convinced, as a scientist, that living intelligence as we know it does not exist on Mars?
I'd say the chances against it are 1,000 to 1.
And yet, how do you account for these gas eruptions occurring on the surface of the planet at regular intervals?
Phillips, I cannot account for it.
Ladies and gentlemen, here I am, back to stone wall that adjoins Mr. Wilmer's garden. From here, I get a sweep of the whole scene. Now they've parted. The professor moves around one side, studying the object while the captain and two policemen advance with something in their hands. I say, 30. No need to push the crowd back now. They're willing to keep their distance. The captain's conferring with someone. Wait a minute, something's happening. Some shape is rising out of the pit. They make out a small beam of light against a mirror. What's that? There's a jet of flame springing from the mirror and it leaps right at the advancing men. It strikes them head on. Lord, they're turning into flames. He is caught by the woods of the fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a grave announcement to make. Incredible as it may seem, both the observations of science and the evidence of our eyes lead to the inescapable assumption that those strange beings who landed in the Jersey farmlands tonight are the vanguard of an invading army from the planet Mars.
In die eigene Traumwohnung.
Oder sagt er mir sogar...
Strange when I recall the time when I first saw it. Bright and clean cut and silent under the dawn of that last great day.